Good afternoon, YouTube. Matt M. Roy back once again. Back to you with a Dollar Tree and a Roses haul video for you. We got quite a few things to get to today. You could see all that there, and I even have a few items on my bed. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So over here is a mixture of things I got from Dollar Tree and items I got from Roses, and I'll go ahead and just start with the Roses items. So I picked up some of these clear forest sparkling waters, and I'm trying to work with the manual focus here. Let's see, there we go. Clear forest sparkling waters. These were 2 for $1, and this is something that my dad uses all the time. They're 10 calories per container, so really not too bad there. We got a few different flavors. I got lemon lime, I have black cherry, and I think there was another one here. Yep, kiwi strawberry. So next, few items from Dollar Tree. Picked up some of these oxygen, LA's Totally Awesome oxygen cleaner. This stuff is really good for getting out basically what is the phrase they use? Organic stains. So things like I don't want to get too graphic here, but bodily fluids, grass, things like that. This is really good for that. You can actually make a paste out of it, and you get a tube of this for $1, and these are 18 ounces. You used to get a 32-ounce one, but they did away with that for some reason. And next, I have a thing. This is something new that Dollar Tree's had in Herbal Helpers Immunity Boost, and let me try to get a closer shot of that. It says premium quality product, and this is actually tea. So basically this has it looks like it has cinnamon, maybe ginger or lemon. Actually no, that's ginger, but I figured I'd give it a try. It's 0 calories, so those of you out there that are doing keto or intermittent fasting like I do, this is a really good option because that does not break an intermittent fast. So coffee and tea, really good options for that. I refocus here. Again from Dollar Tree, got some of these pickle slices. These are oh, I'm sorry, nope, these are jalapeno slices. I'm going to switch to the autofocus. You guys might hear a little bit of a motor, but it's just too hard to do this manually. Jalapeno slices. These are 11.5 ounce jars. And Dad and I both use these. We like to put these in tuna salad, egg salad, chicken salad, things like that. And yeah, they're really good. Couple of jars of that. And here they are. Here's my jar of pickles. Duh, Matt. These are Pampa's sandwich sliced pickles. I don't know why she's having a hard time focusing. There we go. Sandwich sliced pickles, and this is a 6.7 ounce jar. Pickles are a very low calorie food. They're only 5 calories. So once again, great option for those of you that are, watching your figure out there, cutting calories, what have you. Next, picked up a few of these alkaline waters. I've actually shown these in the past on my channel. These are really good if you're trying to cut back on acidic water. A lot of our municipal water sources have a lot of acid in them, so this is a great option. I think I got 5 of these. I only put 3 out for this video. Next, because everybody needs to have a clean lavatory or a bathroom, as we say here in the States, I got, boy, this thing really does not want to focus today. There we go. The Home Store's bathroom cleaner. This is basically the Dollar Tree generic version of scrubbing bubbles. Yeah, not too much else to be said about that, but let me see how big that is. Focus. Come on. There we go. Well, I can tell you it's a 13 ounce can of it. Next, picked up 2 of the LA Awesomes. This is the original LA Awesome cleaner. Love this stuff. You can use this for almost anything. They actually have a graph back here, It'll tell you how you can dilute it to make cleaner for different purposes, or you can use it straight. What I actually use this for, believe it or not, cleaning grease off the driveway or rust. This in its pure state without being diluted will clean off grease, rust, lime, mold, mildew. It's great stuff. Next, couple more things from Dollar Tree. Got some carpet cleaner because I do have some stains in my carpet here, and this actually works pretty good. This is again that LA's Totally Awesome product. They seem to have like a not a patent, but like an exclusivity contract with Dollar Tree. I don't see them anywhere else. You out there can tell me if where you live, if they actually supply that to any other stores, maybe like 99-cent stores, but here in the States, it's all at least on the East Coast, it's all at Dollar Tree. Also from Dollar Tree, some cheap dish soap, because we were running really low on dish soap. Yep, you know it. You always got to have good dish soap. It is a little thin, like when you pour it, you could see it's a little on the thin side, but it gets the job done, and it really is a good deal for what you get. Just picked up some gum, because I always have to have some chewing gum. The rest of the stuff, or at least in this section, this is all from Dollar Tree, because I am in the process of editing up footage from the Ark Encounter, and I'm doing collages, so I needed to have some items for scrapbooking, and these actually work out really well from Dollar Tree. So we'll start with this. This is Jot branded computer paper. This one isn't specifically for that project, but as you can see, it's got a nice border on there that says happy birthday. So I like to make my own birthday cards for family and friends, and yeah, I thought that was kind of cool, so I picked that up. Got two things of construction paper here. This is Paycon brand construction paper. Now, one thing you have to watch at Dollar Tree, they have the Crayola brand, which gives you 25 sheets, but their generic brand here gives you 36. And I really couldn't tell the difference between the two. I thought they were both pretty good. Got some poster board there. Nothing too special, but just again, for doing the scrapbooking, and I'm running out of time here, so I'm going to have to kind of speed this up a little bit. Also from Dollar Tree, I got this, what they call activity pad, but really what it is just little sheets of construction paper. Moving over to stuff that I actually got from Roses, which is like a discount store where we are. Picked up a candle. This is Wild Hibiscus Blossoms. I love their old Williamsburg style candles for $2.99, folks. I mean, where can you get a nice big candle like that for $3? I mean, you really can't anywhere. And I wish we had smell-o-vision, because this smells amazing. Smell it, smell it. The rest is for me, as KDB Productions would say. Picked up a couple of these. These are Super 8 branded gas treatments. The one on the left here is a regular gas treatment. The one on the right is a carb and fuel injector cleaner. Since I drive older vehicles, this is almost a must. Another one of those waters there. Picked up a couple of these furniture mover kits. These are actually really good for people like me that do computer repair. When I need to replace the feet on various computer components, this is what I use, and they work really well. For $3 you get 162 pieces, so I picked two of those up. I'm gonna have to start another file, so I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. Sorry about that. My particular camera, this is the Nikon D5500, limits me to 10-minute segments, so I had to go ahead and switch over. So continuing on stuff from Roses, I'll go ahead and just get this out of the way. Picked up a thing of hefty strong bags. These are 30-gallon bags. You get 24 of them in there. And this was, I believe, oh, wait a minute, here's the price tag. $6.99, so a little on the pricey side, but come on, there we go. A little on the pricey side, but I splurged because hefties are really good bags. Okay, so this next segment here, I'm going to show you guys some really cool gear that Roses has just started getting in. Now, this is a brand that they're carrying. I don't know if it's exclusively from Roses, but in my area, it's the only place I've ever seen it. And the brand is called Vibe. In this case, these are actually LED strip lights that you can plug into a USB port on a computer. These were $5.99 each, and you can basically turn a regular computer into an RGB system, and it comes with this remote control down here for you to basically control the lights, and I thought those were really, really cool. I haven't tried them out yet. I might do that in another video, but the one thing I'm really excited about, and I wanted you guys to see this because even though these are not the greatest quality, for the price, you really can't beat them. So I've been buying these from Roses, and these are the Vibe, again, Vibe branded, Revolt, I know, what a name, right? Gaming, quote unquote, gaming mouse, but it really isn't. I mean, it is a cheap mouse. But for somebody like me that rebuilds and resells computers, it works, and it works really well. But the best thing is, check out that price, folks. You're not seeing things. That's right. These mice are $3. $3. It boasts a 800 to 1200 DPI resolution, multicolored LED lights, and if I can focus, what does that say? Ergonomic design. And it does light up, so you're actually getting an RGB mouse for, albeit a cheap one, for $3. And you guys can see the features there. I don't think my camera's going to focus on it. Let me try to tap here, see if that'll work. Oh, there we go. So what we have here is ergonomic design, USB plug and play. Again, the 8,000, 10,000, or 12,000 DPI. Works on pretty much every computer I have ever used this on, so great deals there. And again, it's the Vibe Revolt brand, at least in the southeast part of the United States, sold at the Roses discount stores. All right, folks, and moving on to the bed here. This is also from Roses. These were in the discount bin, these shirts. And these were $1.99 each. These are size medium, because I actually have gotten down into a medium, believe it or not, folks. But these are actually really decent quality. Now, what these are Comfort Color brand shirts. And if you've never heard of those, let me, again, try to get this thing to focus. I'm not used to filming with the DSLR, folks. You have to bear with me a little bit. There we go. Comfort Colors is actually a brand that was sold exclusively at Hobby Lobby, but now they've switched to a different brand. So what's been happening is Hobby Lobby is actually liquidating these to the different discount stores. And I love these shirts. They are 100% cotton. They are fairly thick, some thicker than others, but they are very durable. As a matter of fact, I've had many versions of these shirts over the years, and they last a really long time. I can wash these and wash these and wash these, and they hold up to a lot of use and abuse, because as much as I work out and I'm a very physical person, I need to have shirts that can do that. So I picked up, what did I get? 5 of them. I got a powder blue, I got a powder red here, purple, kind of sensing a theme here, right? Another powder blue, and then, well, I don't even know what to call this. I would call this kind of an aqua color. And once again, Roses discount stores. And folks, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying here as long as you have. Hopefully you made it to the end. And the last few items I picked up, again, in no particular order, are from Dollar Tree. And this is going to be used for the Creation Museum collage that I'm making, which I will show in a separate video. But I picked up some poster board here. This is black backed, and this is, so we get a brand here. Again, trying to focus. There we go. Ready board. And what I actually do is I take the different color, like this purple poster here, and I go ahead and I cut it to fit on here, because when I'm gluing the pictures and all the articles to this, I need to have something more substantial. If I was just to use this, it would, you know, kind of break apart. It really wouldn't work very well. All right, folks, that's going to be it. Thank you so much for joining me on another one of these YouTube videos. Please continue to like and subscribe. The Ark Encounter video is coming probably within the next week or so. I don't want to make any promises, but we'll see how time goes. I'm definitely going to edit this one up today. You guys will get to see it later on. And as always, have a blessed day, everybody.